Hey guys, and welcome to another vlog. It's Mum's birthday today, so we're going out for breakfast this morning. I'm just about to do my makeup. I got a sample of the Estee Lauder Double Wear because I remember being obsessed with it ages ago, but I haven't used it for years. So I got the sample shade Tawny just because I didn't know what like shade I'd be. And I just wanted to test it out, so I might wear it today. But yeah, I ended up getting Mum a thin Gucci belt for her birthday, so I hope she likes it. I'll make sure I'll bring the vlog camera along with me and film, but my grandma's coming as well and my brother too. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready now and get dressed because she's coming in literally half an hour to come pick me up, and I'll see you later. So I just got ready. I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna do something pretty simple. Neck minute, added lashes. Yeah, I think I just have to accept that I'll never ever do natural makeup. Well, I guess it is kind of like natural, like on the eyes, but my face, it's a mask. But now I wanted to take some nice pictures with my mum and my grandma because I don't really have many updated ones, so I thought I would get a little bit dressed up. We're going to a really nice cafe in Burleigh. It's like one of my faves. So yeah, I will definitely vlog her opening her present. So I will see you guys later. Happy birthday! Thank you. Oh no. Cheers, Louise. It's the thin one. Yeah. Oh my god. Do you like it? Yeah. It's nice, hey? Because I thought you'd like the thinner one better. That's amazing. I know. Put it on now? Yeah, put it on. Take that belt off. Sit on my Chevy.
Say, it looks a little bit too short.
No, but that's... Well, you can do it tighter if you want.
But that's tighter if it goes up the waist.
Yeah.
This is the lowest that.
It looks good.
Nice.
Nice. Gucci gang.
No.
Oh my god, yum.
That's an omelette and a half. Oh my god.
Eggs Benedict.
It's not the omelette.
You're gonna eat all that baka.
I can't eat all of it.
Hey guys, it is Tuesday today. I didn't really get up too much. Yesterday after I had breakfast with Mum, she loved her belt. I actually got a really exciting text. I'm going to pick up my belt because I went and got the thicker one, but I got it in the 85, but when I was in store I was wearing like low waisted jeans and the 85 seemed to fit perfectly, but then when I went to go put it around my waist with like a dress or something, it was way too big, so they had to order in the 80 centimeter one. So I'm gonna go pick that up now. Yay. So I have it to wear to Sydney tomorrow. Oh yeah, I'm going to Sydney tomorrow for a Maybelline event, and I will bring you guys along with me because there's some really exciting new product launches. But yeah, I'm just there for the day. I fly in at 1:30 and then I fly back at 6:30. So yeah, I'm gonna go make breakfast now, go pick up my belt, probably go check my PO box, then go get my nails done, and then I'm gonna go get a peel from Australian Skin Clinic. So a little bit of a busy day, but yeah, that's all I have planned. So I will speak to you guys later. This is my breakfast because I was super hungry. Just 3 fried eggs with feta, bacon and avocado, and a coffee. I'm gonna go quickly scoff this down and then go pick up my belt. Oh my god, this is my new baby. I've been wanting this for so long. I'm gonna put it on now. I'm like racing to my appointment. I've got the belt on. Oh my god, it's so pretty. This is where I go for my nails. Oh, I like sprinted. So I just got back from my PO box and here's some stuff that I got. So I got the new 3D brow tones by Benefit, and they've come out with heaps of different colors. Some socialized lashes, some blending brushes from Vanity Planet. This is cool in here. It's just some makeup brushes and some lashes. These look pretty. They're by the brand Backstage. I got some magnet things to stick on the back of this for my car mount. And oh my god, how cute are these? They're like mini Zoeva palettes. Like, oh my god, it's so cute for traveling. And there's also like little cute travel brushes as well. I'm gonna open. Literally my fave eye brushes as well. Love. Thank you so much, guys. By the way, I've been like obsessed with eating jelly, the low carb one, like as a snack, like when I'm feeling hungry or need something sweet. So good. These are the ones I get. I'll show you. These are the ones I get, low sugar and no carbs. So they literally have 0.1 grams of carbs and 0 of sugar, and that's the ingredients in it. Hey guys, so I'm off to Sydney today. I just finished my makeup for the event. Now I'm gonna go and curl my hair. I just did a live on this makeup look on my Instagram. But yeah, I just used the Australis Metallics pigment and the Kylie palette on my eyes, this foundation, and my lips are Urban Decay Uptight and Mecca Max lipstick in Poker Face. So yeah, I'm gonna go and curl my hair and come take you guys along and show you how I curl my hair, you know. Oh fuck. Okay, I have an hour to get ready.
You have 10 minutes to get ready.
I use this curler, it's the Numi 3-in-1. Alright, so I've straightened my hair before. Just gonna brush it through. I section my hair in 2 sections. By the way, these are still my Emily Hadrill hair extensions. I grab behind from that section. Take my wand. I don't use the glove because I'm a rebel. Hold it there for like 10 secs. Then sort of let it go in my hand, hold that for another 10 seconds. And then drop it. And there's one curl. And then I just put it to the back and then do the same thing. So I'm just grabbing little bits of hair at a time, curling it probably like halfway. I hold it there longer for bigger strands of hair. Bye. Oh, I thought you said bye. Hold it in my hand and then let it go. Pull it behind. So I'm just gonna probably like speed up this next bit. Okay, so I've just finished curling that side. Now what I'm gonna do is bring all of that to the center, and then I just like to curl like little bits at the front. I don't really like the front bit that curled. Like this. All I do pretty much is just like zhuzh it up like this. Put that behind my ear. And there you have it. There is my hair. I am literally that obsessed with my extensions. Don't forget that if you're on the Gold Coast, you can get $50 off any full set of extensions when you mention my name. Just thought I'd put it out there, but that is my hair.
Sometimes when you're here, I can't feel no doubt, 'cause you keep me where the stars are bound. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, so please. It doesn't really matter, 'cause you're here with me now. It doesn't really matter, 'cause I feel so free now.
Oh my god, you guys. I just got back from Sydney. Look how freaking oily my face is. That was literally the longest day ever, but it was so much fun. It's so cool to like catch up with other YouTubers and influencers, because I don't live in Sydney. I don't really get the chance to go that often, because normally events like this are on weekends, but this one was on a Wednesday and I was able to make it, and it was just so good to catch up with everyone. And yeah, it was pretty cool. So we just like, sorry, I'm just turning on Love Island because I'm literally just in time. 8:26, starts in 4 minutes. But yeah, we just like played around with the new Maybelline launches for this year. And yeah, that's pretty much all that we did. I was only there for like an hour and a half, 2 hours. And then I just flew back home, but it just seemed like the biggest day because catching 2 flights in one day is pretty hectic, not gonna lie. Anyways, I'm going to take my makeup off, make some dinner. I think I'm gonna make steak and veggies, and then take my makeup off, have a shower, and sit back and watch Love Island. So I will talk to you guys tomorrow. So I just got back from Australian Skin Clinics, and I thought I would show you guys the goodie bag that Maybelline gave us yesterday. So it's just basically got all of their new releases. So the Temptation palette, the Total Temptation mascara, eyebrow pencils, got a blonde one and a brown one, the Dream Matte blush. The consistency of these are amazing. And then this is one of their matte inks, and another one which is a dark brown, and this is another one of their Dream Matte blushes. Then today I also went to Priceline to get some more shimmer pots. This one is in the shade Bombshell Bronze. And I also got Tantalizing Taupe or Taupe. Then I just got 2 colors that I don't have of the Metallics Cream eyeshadows. So this one is in the shade Guns and Rose Petals. And then this one is Maroon 5, which is like a pinky color. So pretty. I love these. Oh my god, Mellow Cosmetics spoiling me. So I got some of their brow powder duos, some of their lipsticks, liquid lipsticks. Oh my god, my favorite pen liner. This is literally the best. I love it. Thank you so much. This is the pen liner, by the way. And that's the tip of it. Seriously, my favorite. I love it. Alright, so I'm going to make some teriyaki chicken stir fry, but I'm going to use thigh fillets, cut them up, add this, and then I'm going to use broccoli and cauliflower rice. Yum. These stir fry packages have really low carbs. So this one's got 3 grams of carbs and less than 1 gram of sugar per serving. And there is 4 servings for that pack. So I probably will make like 3 or 4 meals out of this. So I just chopped up all the thigh fillet. I'm just gonna wait for that to brown a bit, and then I will add this in. And then once that's almost done, I'll put this in the microwave. So the chicken's almost cooked. I'm adding my teriyaki sauce and let that simmer for maybe like 5 minutes. I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 2.5 minutes. Yum, it actually smells so good. Oh my god, can't forget this mayonnaise, the Kewpie one. I've just put that on top. Yum. So this is what I look like today. Bit of a mess. I just went and washed my hair and blow dried it. I'm gonna go and have some breakfast, put my makeup on, and then go to the salon because I have 5 clients for school formals today. So I'll try and film some of them for you guys, and then tonight I'm going to this Sasky 1-year party with Tammy Hembro, so that should be fun, but I can't have too much fun because I have a wedding on Saturday, so yeah. But I will speak to you guys later. This is what I made for breakfast. 2 85% lower carb pieces of bread, which are only 5 carbs for 2 slices. Some spreadable feta cheese, half an avocado, and 2 eggs and 2 bits of bacon. It's probably around the 10 grams of carb mark, but I'm working all day and this is probably all I'll eat. So yeah, yum. Hey guys, so it is Sunday today. So over the weekend I vlogged, not for this vlog, but I did 2 separate vlogs. So I did a client in salon vlog, and then on Saturday I had a wedding, so I filmed that for you guys. So they will be up in separate videos. But yeah, this weekend's been pretty quiet for me. I've been working heaps. I'll probably end this vlog here because honestly I don't have anything planned today or tonight or anything like that. I never really do. Sundays are usually just like my chill out days where I don't work. I just seriously just catch up on sleep and just chill. So yeah, I've just been like editing videos today, went grocery shopping. Tonight I'm going to dinner at mum's. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in next week's vlog. Bye.